I thought, my roundtable was fantastic. It was a great both breadth and depth of experience, both from new companies where people are having to wear many hats to then people who have been at larger companies for a longer amount of time that are very specialized. So it was great to hear both vantage points and kind of be able to draw hybrid conclusions between both of those.
I thought the roundtables were very well organized. People came in ready to discuss and both experience and strategy. So I think we need more of this, definitely need more of these discussions to be able to share those experiences and let others know that, hey, we are all going through similar experiences and we can learn from one another. So it's very productive discussions here.
It was really nice. It's a meeting of people interested in the same topic, getting to choose the area that they wanted to explore and learn more about. So it was a great group of people.
Oh, they are expert of the field. I learned so much from them.
Those were great. And what I love about Proventa and what Proventa does so well is how intimate it feels. And being able to discuss some of the hard topics and when it relates to development, CMC related discussions, what I find enjoyable is how it just seems very natural to just provide input and insight and learn about what other companies are doing. So I think it's also an educational element to it, as well as providing some of your own insights.
I attended the CMC strategy meeting today and just wanted to let everyone know that it was a great meeting. The roundtables were really good, very small groups, lots of good discussion.
I think the most productive is when you get most of the participants to act together in it and explain a little bit about their experience and things like that.
I thought they were very good, they were engaged. In fact, in my session, although we were diverging in topics, but I think those were very important aspects to discuss, and it brought out a lot of questions from the participants, and it brought up very good discussion with a lot of the experts who were around the table.
Those were also great. I got the opportunity to meet new folks, new vendors, and then also the people from either CROs or other companies, and get to understand the experiences that they are going through in terms of CMC. What are some of the challenges that they are facing, how they are resolving some of their issues, and learn from it in terms of how we can apply to what we are going through with our company.
Very nice opportunity to network with people, movers and shakers in the CMC industry, and a great platform and relaxed atmosphere for that.
Really enjoy the networking event. This is a really nice space. I enjoy lunch with the attendees outside. It's really engaging, and I enjoy the networking part.
It has been extremely productive. I've had the opportunities to have one-on-one meetings with various companies and just meeting with individuals and talking about their needs, their company needs, and being able to provide resolutions to their issues or problems has been extremely gratifying for me.
They were quite positive.
They were extremely positive, and the interaction was absolutely amazing. And I got to learn a little bit about some of their issues and what they're encountering and how we can provide regulatory services for their needs.
Yeah, the networking was really, really good. We had some break times and lunch. We were able to sit outside and just kind of get to know each other. Everyone was very open to getting to know who you were, what you did, and just thinking about ways that you could do business together or support each other. And it was pretty awesome.
Yeah, I met with two different companies that I have some peripheral experience with. So just to understand a little bit more about what they do on a more broad spectrum and how they might impact my needs.
I thought the mix of seniority was done very well. Lots of experience being shared for sure.
It was absolutely wonderful. It's so nice to see that variation between VPs to associate directors to managers to senior scientists. I think Proventa International did a phenomenal job.
I thought it was great. I mean, we had folks from all walks of industry, from biologics, from small molecules, from CROs, CDMOs, from companies that are going through, that are platform-based, companies that are NCI-based. So it's all over the place. So I thought that was really great.
Oh, it was great. I think that from a new and emerging, it was a lot of the, RNA, siRNA side of things. But then in terms of, ADCs kind of making a raging comeback, it was really exciting to hear how people are approaching, kind of diversifying how they are moving those through the CMC and regulatory landscape, and getting input from people who have been in antibodies for a long time, kind of what are some good considerations that we might want to be considering when we're navigating that space.
I particularly from the CDMO parts of the Viva Biotech, and there are only quite a few of the CMC a conference here in the Boston area, and this is one of them. And I think this meeting is very well organized, and that in the future we hope to bring more exhibitors and more attendees. But today, for this has already keep us busy.
I actually met quite a few former colleagues here, so it's nice to see them to attend this meeting. And of course, I know so many new friends, and I get new LinkedIn connections. Overall, I feel it's from very diverse group of people that I never, some of them I never had the chance to connect with before. So I'm really glad that I came.
Yeah, it had really great diversity, lots of different companies, lots of different roles within the companies, regulatory, CMC, some CDMOs and CROs, and yeah, it just was, again, very good.
I thought it was a good mix of people. I thought it was good dialogue, people sharing actual real world experience, and but at the same time, people asking questions about if they had to deal with certain situations, things like that.
I think it's people at the right meeting. A lot of people are decision makers or high-level technical people in CMC, quality, other regulatory affairs too.
For sure, yes.
Yes,
Perfect.
definitely.
Oh yeah, sure, of course.
I would, yeah. It was a nice conference, so.
Yes, of course.
Absolutely, yeah. I think this is a well worthwhile event.
Sure, absolutely. That sounds like fun. I would definitely come back.
Yes, I mean, I've been attending Proventa events since 2017 or 18, when it was just very, very early on. So I definitely keep in mind when I see them, and I'm available to try and attend.
Absolutely, in a heartbeat. I will come here on an annual basis. I think this is one of the most amazing conferences that I've attended. This is my second conference, and I have to say this by far is the best.
I've been attending Proventa sessions for the last 5 or 6 years, and it's been great because you come to meet with a lot of people with diverse experiences, and you get to network and collaborate. So I would love to continue to come.
Definitely, yeah. I think I'm signing up for it again, and I'm going to ask anyone who has the opportunity to attend one of these should definitely do it. I think it's always good to bring industry folks together and share experiences, and this is what this conference was about. And it's you always take something positive out of it. So I'm definitely doing it again.